Hello all, my name is Nicole Abdallah. The app that I chose to demonstrate and explain to you guys is called Todoist. Todoist is an application that can be downloaded on the phone to help you keep track of your tasks and stay organized. It's used by 25 million people. It is tech savvy for all age groups. It prioritizes your most important tasks. It includes a free version with many tools to utilize. Me personally, I do use the free version and I've never had any issues with it or been restricted of any tools that I needed to use. The premium version just basically adds additional tools if needed. So this app is helpful to keep your busy life under control. So these are the features that I favorite and I use all the time. So it's a simple setup process. You basically download the app and it only asks you for your email, and then it just takes you right into the setup board. You can add as many tasks as needed. These tasks can also have subtasks and task descriptions. Therefore, if you want to remember specific details for a certain task that you have to make sure that you do, you can include it into there. This creates tasks for you for your week in advance. I personally like that because having a busy life with work and school, I'm able to write out my weeks in advance in what schoolwork I need to do. To be able to stay on track and organized. It also lets you prioritize your tasks. This app also changes the status of your tasks in the process of being completed. This basically means that if you were working on a task, you can go on the feature called Task Board, and you are able to change it to the status of doing. So it means that you're doing the task right now, and then once you're done, you're able to mark your tasks as complete, and they get swiped off of your board, and you don't have to worry about them anymore. So now I'm gonna just take you, give you a sneak peek into my Todoist, and basically this first video is gonna show you how to make the tasks. So basically you just press on the little plus sign down at the bottom, and you're able to just type in what task that you have to do and press the little up arrow in the bottom, in the middle right, I guess, of the page. Like I said, you can put as many tasks as needed. So I just have a few tasks here to do. And then we can see here, the next one that I'm going to show you is how to put details into your task. So you can see here that I have a digital portfolio homework to do, and for this homework I have to research my topic. And then it kind of just sets it for me, and it has it set. So I also made that a priority of mine to be completed, and as you can see, it asks you how many priorities, or the list of priorities I have, and I made it number 1. For cleaning my room, I want to make sure that I remember to vacuum it. And I also set it as priority number 2. Now, this next video will be able to show you the task board, which is what or the try board, I'm sorry, is what I explained to you prior. Let me play this video for you. And this basically shows you that you can add a task here, and the task, this is where you can move the task to with a status. So it says, now I am doing my math homework. And then after you're done, you can see here on the right hand side that you just click the little circle next to the task, and that marks it as complete, and it says to enjoy your afternoon because you completed these tasks. So I do think this application is very useful for my everyday life, and I can see how it could be useful for everybody else's. And also, when I go into my profession as an occupational therapist, I will have many patients. So I do see this app being very useful to help me keep track of what I have to do for each patient and make sure that nothing is really getting mixed up, especially, which is good because I can list each patient underneath the task descriptions. So I definitely will be utilizing this app in the future, and I think that I would recommend it to many of my friends and to you guys. It will help keep your life very organized. I hope you enjoyed.